Hello friends, this is Veena Reddy signing in. Today I am going to talk about the relationships towards your surroundings, relationship towards your fellow beings, relationship towards your environment and towards your surrounding nature. Always there is a saying that live strong and stay strong. I would like to say one story here. Always stay positive and live strong. Once a guru and a disciple, uh, let it be Ramu and Somu. They are going across to cross a river. So on the bank of the river, Guru helped a girl to cross the river by holding her hand, and he helped her to cross the river. So on the across the bank, the girl thanked the guru, and she went off. And the guru also he let it go the incident, and he forget the incident, and he is fine. But the disciple uh, uh, beside the guru, he is going on thinking about the incident. What guru, being a sannyasi, how come he can touch the girl? How come he can um, uh, be um, how can he be so attractive to that girl? And how come he can catch the girl? And how he should he's not forgetting the incident. And what happens if this sin, is it not a sin to touch a girl being a sannyasi? And what happens to guru if this sin becomes provocated? And what happens to me that I am associating with the guru? All the while he is going on thinking, and the situation happened. He pondered sweat across, and his shoulders drooped, and his energy got lowered, and his heartbeat increased, and he is unable to walk. So Guru stopped, and he saw back to his disciple, and he asked, "Why so? What happened? Why you are so upset, and why you are so trenching in the sweat?" And Guruji, since 1 hour I am been I am been befitted with your burden with the sin burden of your sin. Since 1 hour I am going on thinking, what happens to you? What happens to you? The Guru laughed and said, Somu, I have left that incident 1 hour back, way before in the we are coming before here, near the across the bank of the river, but you are still pondering the burden of that thought across your shoulders, and across your universal burden, like universal burden, he told. So this the moral of the story is, let it go the incident, think always positively, uh, uh, be reprimanded with the future, and it helps you to incur more positive feelings. Once positive feelings are incurred in your mind, it will create positive feelings, positive thoughts, and positive beliefs. It will be formed, then it will provocate you towards a positive action, to take positive action. So it all being interconnected. Universe and thoughts represents in a way of vibration, because all of you know that universe is nothing but energy. We are all that transformations of energy. We are all nothing but different transformations of single energy. So energy reciprocates its laws with nature, like a law of communication, law of vibration, all law of vibration, law of nature also. There is law of karma also, and law of attraction also. So with the inner principle, under every these principles is to react in tune with the nature. So we have to stay positive, because this life is a single moment. This moment is your life. So live your life to the fullest in this present moment. Because God has present this moment in the form of presence to you, to live your life with full, vivid, and attractive positive thoughts. Thank you.